All right, welcome back to a new day. Money makers, I am so happy that you guys continue to keep subscribing, watching, and sharing my videos. It means the world. Ever over 620 subscribers now. I'm manifesting things. I'm really proud of the progress of this channel. And I'm proud that you guys like the material that I keep bringing you every single week and every single day. But let's go ahead and get right into this AI side hustle business plan. Now, this is going to start in March and it's going to end at the end of June, but the funds will be distributed July 30th of this year. So that means whoever builds a successful AI business hustle business plan will get $100, and it's going to be 5 people that get the $100 for a total of $500. So this is really important to choose do step by step to start and grow a profitable AI business model, ensuring you have at least $100 in profit by June 30th, 2025. So let's get right into it. So March is planning and research, week 1 through 4. So weeks 1 through 4, the goals is going to be to identify a profitable AI side hustle. So you're going to identify whether it's an AI dating app, whether it's an AI dating mentor app, whether it's an AI math equation app, whatever type of AI that's built by AI is for you to figure that out, and it has to be profitable. So you need to spend some really this is the planning and research that you're going to have to be spending 4 weeks on throughout the entire month of March. So I expect that. And if you don't show me that, then you're not hurting me. You're hurting yourself because it's really important that you do your due diligence to take your time and do not rush this because I want to see your thinking process. So that's why it's 4 weeks involved in this. And you need research tools, you need to research your competitors to see who already has this idea because you cannot steal someone else's idea. This has to be a unique AI research side hustle that no one has thought about before. It's testing those skills, and you need to be able to reach out to potential customers to make this happen. Just like I gave you an example for the AI dating app that I kind of went through the process of yesterday, but I didn't go through it completely. Since I didn't go through it completely, you can steal that idea because it has not been trademarked yet. So if it hasn't been trademarked yet or no one has done it, go ahead, take that idea. But I don't want to see five different people with the same AI dating business model because that's not going to fly. I'm not going to reward anybody for that. And you need to set up your brand preference. So these are the action steps that you need to take. You need to choose an AI niche, whether it's an AI generated content, blog writing, script writing, copywriting. You need to give me an AI image creation, different art graphics, logo designs to show that it is going to be legitimate. And you can even have AI automation, chatbots, workflow automation, whatever you come decide. Just let me know how that's going to work out for you. All of this is part of the research planning and business model that you're going to need to show me. That you need to document. And then you need to do the AI consulting, whether it's teaching AI tools, business applications, or whatever. And then now here comes the second week, the research market demand. So you need to use Google Trends, YouTube, social media to analyze the entrance. Hey, you might want to make a YouTube video letting people know, hey, this is going to be my AI side hustle that I'm going to be potentially doing. Will this work? Will this not work? And you need to pivot if it doesn't work. But you're still in the early stages of researching everything to see if this is going to actually work. If it doesn't work, then don't do it. Do not spend a whole nother month trying to make something that is not gonna work. Believe me, I have a business that I'm doing right now, and I've been spending 2 years on it, and it's not profitable at all. So I should have been done with that, right? So that I know when a business model is going to be good or not. And you guys will know that too. You are smart individuals. So don't spend any longer. And if your audience tell you that it's not going to work, then don't do it. Simple as that. That's why I'm taking you step by step, showing you everything you need to do to break it down. And you can even email me at mondaymakers271 at gmail.com if you have any questions about this. But I'm breaking it down step by step. And you need to check your competitors' pricings and services, because if they're doing something in a particular same niche as you and they're charging lower, you might want to go lower, because chances are more people are going to want the lowest market demand or whatever AI research project you do or side hustle you do. So it's why it's always good. That's why I always say. That's why I always say it's good to check your competitors' websites and stuff like that to see what they're doing. But don't copy, exactly the price that they're doing, because I mean it's competition for a reason, right? And then you need to set up your business foundation, which means like you need to create a simple website, landing page, Wix, WordPress, card, whatever, all those types of websites that can easily build the website for you to let people know who you're about and what you do. That's what I need from you. And you definitely need to set up a YouTube channel or social media pages like TikTok, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Um, and then you need to start opening a PayPal business account or a Stripe business account for payments, because that's going to be really important later on as you continue to build your customers and your clientele gets bigger. You're going to need some type of processing payment to process the money that they're going to be spending, if you decide to charge for the dating app or whatever AI business you want to charge, because obviously you have to charge to make money, right? You're not doing this for free. You want money. You want a business to be profitable, and if it's not profitable, it's not making any money. So why would you continue to do that, right? And then four, I need you to screenshot recording, and this is weekly. Everything from how you set up your business, what your business is going to be about, what flaws, what happened during that particular week, what made you upset, all of that stuff that I need to see documented. You need to record your research process. You need to explain why you chose your niche. You need to upload process videos to your YouTube channel. So I want to see what's going on, because you know, one thing about business is flaky. You either going to like what you're doing or you're not going to like what you're doing. Um, and that's going to be telling it throughout the week, so I can see your facial expressions. If you're angry, if you're sad, you're happy, how it's going, if you need any help. That's why it's important. And then, so we're coming close to the ending of that month. All of that should be encompassing in that month. Now we're taking it into April. Now we're actually building the AI product or service in weeks 5 to 8. And that's going to take you all the way until the end of April there. So goals, I need you to develop and test your AI based service product. So test it out. Get it out there to see who has interest for it or not. Start your marketing business plan. That's important. So the action steps that you need to take. You need to develop your AI service. You need to set up your AI tool either in ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL, or Zapier. Offer a free or low cost test to gather feedback. Create example work, AI generated blog, whatever, and then start the content creation. Post short form videos of that. Publish blog posts, social media posts, or tutorial videos. And then you can read through the rest of all of this, because this video is kind of getting long, and I'll tell you step by step of everything that needs to be done. So if you have any questions, email me at mondaymakers271 at gmail.com. All right, bye.